This video is for how to capture images. Already I have logged in with your student's ID. Now go to test section. You'll get the option ready check PDF upload chat. Now see, right now you cannot upload the PDF from here. Now you have first of all you have to go to ready check option. Then accordingly you have to video and audio should be. So see here, drag from top to touch the box. Some options are coming. So here actually you can keep your mobile phone in landscape mode. So now you can see little bit better way. You can see this one. Okay, the questions are there visible. Only I have given only one questions. You can see the timer also. 19 minutes. See that going on. Time is going on. So as per this basis, you have to write down the answer. Okay. Here you should not write anything in the boxes. Rather you should write in copy, then capture images. Are there options are there. So right now suppose I have written the answer sheet. Now going to capture image option. So right now see as it is showing front camera only. Just go to back option. Again capture image. Now I'm keeping my mobile phone. Right now it is in front only. You must rotate the camera phone. Then click on back option again. Let's see. Capture image. Click on that. Again it is not showing. Again back option. Capture image. Retry. Try again. This option you should try. Back. Capture image. First we saw the copy in the doorway. Then go to back options. Still it is showing front camera only. Capture image. Again going to that option. So you have to try till now it is showing to copy. Okay. Please make sure your handwriting is visible. That option is coming. Means why? Because I have kept my hand there. That's why. So that's why means it is not. I cannot upload this one because front camera is showing. That's why again retake option is coming. Retake back. Keep your mobile phone little bit. Yeah. Now I am keeping my mobile phone in a portrait mode. You can see now. Can you see this one? I have kept my mobile phone in portrait mode. Now I'm trying to capture the image. Now let's see what happened. It is coming warning. When I keep the mobile phone in portrait mode, now see my back camera is operating properly. Now I'm clicking picture. Although I'm getting warning, then click on that tick option. Again I'm getting warning means again but I have to go to resume option, and I'm going to the second picture. Capture image one I have uploaded. Second again capture image. Click on that. Again I'm clicking the picture of second page. Then click tick on the option. Tick option is there. Again resume option is there. Third page also I can upload. capture image 2. You can see that it is uploading. Now page number 3, uploading. Click. You are getting option, resume option is getting 3 pages I have uploaded. Now if your capturing image is finished, then you can go to submit option. So what is the same thing? Main thing is that you have to take this, okay, according to time only you have to do this, all this as per timing you have to do this. So I have, if you have more pages to click, you can go to resume option, resume. Again you can click on the more pages if you want, okay. Again I'm clicking on more picture accordingly as per C. Please go to backup mode to resume, otherwise the test will be terminated. This options are coming, it will resume, then submit option, you will get submit option, submit, okay. So see, I have submitted. Now one more option is there, upload file PDFs. That also option also is there, upload PDF. You can go and you click on that, you get option PDF upload. Here also you can get the options video upload, upload files. Click on that. Here also you can get the option of capture images through camera. Click on camera. Also you can click pictures there also. Then right click. See, it is uploading. Again you can upload picture. Here also upload files. Then camera. Click the picture. Simple. Then tick option. So now how many pages I have taken? 2 pages. You can zoom also. So is it okay or not? Then close also. Also you can zoom it also as per this option. Then close it. Then if it is done, done. So you have uploaded the PDF file right now. Let's see. Let one already that account is there with me. So I want to show you whether it is gone or not. So this one, that as per showing you, I hope you can see this file of this account. See these pages, 2 pages I have taken at the late, at the end, and at the beginning 4 pages. See, so it's up to you which one you will choose, okay. So see, these pages are they are uploaded, okay. So I hope you understood, and accordingly you can give the exam.